Save this video if you want to try ang Singapore's best Tom Yum minced meat noodles. Tara, samahan nyo ko. Kaya watch till the end ha. If you are planning to find affordable yet delicious hawker center for best Singapore's authentic foods, try here at the People's Park of Chinatown, Singapore. Actually, at first, mga kaigala, I was hesitant to try foreign food kasi alam nyo na, natatakot rin ako. Aside dito, baka mahal din, baka di ko panlasa. And for me, noodles is a safe food since mahilig naman ako mag-noodles. So I tried this trending Tom Yum minced meat noodles. Siguro, ito yung di ko makakalimutan na noodles here in Singapore. The soup is creamy, the noodles is well done, at yung mga sahog like the meat and veggies right blend. Definitely one of the best noodles I've tried here in Singapore, and it's only around 4.5 Singaporean dollar or around 189 pesos sa atin sa Pilipinas, at ang laki ng serving pa. Okay for 2 person. Uy, if you drop by Chinatown, please don't miss this out. Uy, hanggang sa susunod here in Singapore. Ingats and God bless.